Kwelinye icala, Isebe Lezemfundo laseRhawutini licacisa imiba enxulumene netyala lombane elityalwa zizikolo zikarhulumente ezithile emva kokuphazamiseka kwenkonzo kutshanje. Isebe lithi izikolo zabelwa imali ngoNovemba ka-2025 yokuhlawula iiakhawunti zikamasipala ezisemva kuquka nombane. Longeza ngelithi liza kuqhubeka nokusebenzisana noomasipala ukuze kuthintele ukuphazamiseka konikezelo lwenkonzo ezikolweni.
The Gauteng Department of Education wishes to clarify matters relating to the electricity debt owed by some public ordinary schools to municipalities, which led to service interruptions. The department wishes to refute assertions that we gave some schools the burden of arrears accounts. We can confirm that schools were allocated funds in November last year already, 2025, specifically for them to settle their municipal obligations, including electricity accounts. The department had previously communicated with the SGBs on the decentralization of the payment of municipal accounts and their responsibility to ensure the relevant allocations were accordingly utilized to settle their municipal accounts and pay their monthly electricity consumption. It is therefore quite concerning that some schools are not paying their municipal accounts despite having received necessary allocations and being aware of their responsibilities. So in El Dorado Park, we have allocated accordingly different schools and we gave them allocations that will carry them accordingly. We then urge the affected schools to engage with municipalities where applicable in order to negotiate payment arrangements and work towards settling their outstanding debts. The department is currently facilitating a process to allocate for 2026-2027 financial year, make sure that all schools receive their allocations on or before the 15th of May 2026. Now, these allocations will assist schools in meeting their obligations.